The High Court has granted the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, the EACC, orders to freeze assets worth 28.9 million shillings belonging to former Kakamega Governor Wycliffe Oparanya until ongoing corruption-related investigations are concluded.
All the orders granted Thursday are expected to run for 6 months. Oparanya is under investigation for alleged procurement fraud and conflict of interest in the award of tenders by the Kakamega County government during his 10-year term, where there were public funds amounting to 1.3 billion shillings said to have been lost. In August, Oparanya, together with his spouse, were questioned for hours by EACC detectives. Chemutai Goin reports.
The ghosts of the 10-year tenure of pioneer Kakamega Governor Wycliffe Oparanya came to haunt him as the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission tightened the noose over his alleged involvement in fraudulent deals and abuse of office. In the matter that came before the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Division of the High Court, Justice Esther Minor said the EACC had proved that if the orders were not granted, the governor or his associates may withdraw or dispose of the monies in question, thereby defeating the cause of justice. Oparanya, who is among 9 governors on the EACC's radar, is accused of conflict of interest among other charges, where while serving as governor, companies linked to him and close family members were allegedly awarded lucrative tenders. In the preservation orders granted to EACC, Justice Esther Minor prohibited the former governor, the private companies, their agents, servants or any other persons from withdrawing, transferring or disposing of the 28.9 million shillings in question for the next 6 months, pursuant to Section 56 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, before the matter is heard 12th June next year. Preliminary investigations have shown that a portion of the monies was channeled by 2 companies contracted by the county government of Kakamega to perform various works. One such company being Sasela Resources Limited and Sabema International Limited, which purchased a house in Karen from the local authority's pension trust registered trustee Slab Trust at the cost of 89 million shillings. EACC claims that an analysis of transactions shows that after receiving payments from the county government of Kakamega, the companies wired money to advocates of the former governor, who then transferred the funds to Lab Trust through the purchase of the said house in Karen. At one point, Sasela Resources Limited transferred 10 million shillings and Sabema International Limited 5 million shillings. On August 23rd, EACC detectives raided the home of the former governor and made away with documents they needed to firm up their case. The governor, his spouse and other close associates were questioned for hours, and when they emerged from the EACC offices, Oparanya maintained his innocence, terming his woes as politically driven.
I was Minister for Planning. Nobody came to my office for any investigation. So I would wonder why, when I have retired, that someone is coming to ask me about 2013, 2014. Is that fair to me?
EACC have, however, insisted that they are not being used to settle political scores, rather that in due course the truth will be out. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV.